Volume control and 2 headphone jacks. Easily mounted on compatible monitors. Color: black. Power adapter sold separately. Genuine Dell AX510 Soundbar speakers. The soundbar also includes volume control and 2 headphone jacks on the sides. This does not include the power adapter. These speakers will mount to the following UltraSharp flat panel displays and P-Series flat panel displays: 1703fp, 1704fp, 1707fp, 1707fpv, 1708fp, 1801fp, 1901fp, 1905fp, 1907fp, 1907fpv, 1908fp, 1908wfp, 1908wfp, SP1908fp, SE198wfp, 2001fp, 2005fp, 2005fpw, 2007fp, 2007wfp, 2009w, 2208wfp, 2408wfp, 2707wfp, 3007wfp, 3007fpw, 3007wfphc, 3008wfp, E152fp, E153fp, E156fp, E157fp, E157fpt, E172fp, E173fp, E176fp, E177fp, E178fp, E178fpw, E193fp, E196fp, E197fp, E198fp, E198wfp, E207wfp, E228wfp, E248wfp, SE177fp, SE178wfp, SE197fp, SE198wfp, S199wfp, SP2208wfp, P2309W, Street 2210, Street 2310, Street 2410, SX2210T, P190S, U2711. Compatible part numbers: AX510, AX510PA, C730C, DW711, 313, 6412, 313, 6219, 313, 6413, 313, 6412. Top reviews from the United States. Decent, flat sound on a Dell U2412M monitor. Pros. Price. Good highs treble. Connected natively to U2412M Dell monitor clips and power. Jog dial for volume on the right. Headphone out and line in port on left. Allows me to clean up cabling and retire space-taking satellites. Included power adapter which will allow me to repurpose in the future.